Hi everyone! Today we're making a lovely mini rose coaster, perfect for protecting surfaces or adding charm to your decor. You've got this, so let's get started. Please like and subscribe. For round 1 of the flower, start by chaining 12. Skip the first 5 chains, these form the center loop. Then work a treble crochet. Now, here's the pattern we'll repeat 4 times. Chain 2, treble crochet, chain 2, treble crochet. Finish with a chain 2 and 1 last treble crochet. You're doing amazing already. Tip: keep your chains loose so the flower has a nice, open look. Next, for round 2, chain 1 to start. Then, in each chain 2 space from the previous round, work 6 treble crochets followed by a single crochet. Repeat this 4 times. Chain 1, then slip stitch to close. Look at that flower blooming. You've got this. Tip: if your petals feel tight, try going up a hook size for this round. Now let's move to the petal base. Start with a magic ring. Here's the sequence repeated 5 times. Chain 2, treble crochet, chain 2, slip stitch, chain 2, slip stitch. Pull that magic ring tight to close. You're creating such a sweet foundation. Great job. Tip: practice your magic ring beforehand if it's new to you. It makes all the difference. For the leaf, chain 6, skip the first chain, then single crochet, half double crochet, treble crochet, half double crochet, and 3 single crochets. Next, half double crochet, treble crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch. You're shaping a perfect little leaf. Awesome work. Tip: keep your tension even for a smooth, natural leaf shape. For round 2 of the leaf, we're edging it. Chain 1, then slip stitch around the entire edge. Finish with 6 slip stitches along the base. That leaf is looking so cute. Well done. Tip: use a smaller hook for this round if you want a tighter edge. Now, on to the calyx. Chain 25, skip the first 3 chains. These count as your first double crochet, then work 22 double crochets across. You're building a strong base for your rows. Fantastic effort. Tip: count your stitches carefully here to keep it even. For rounds 2 through 7 of the calyx, work 22 double crochets in the back loop only for each round. That's 6 rounds total. It's repetitive, but it creates that perfect cup shape. Keep going, you're so close. Tip: mark the first stitch of each round with a stitch marker to stay on track. But finally, the tie string. Chain 65 nice and simple. This will tie everything together beautifully. You're a crochet superstar for making it this far. Tip: if you want a thicker string, try chaining with 2 strands of yarn held together. And there you have it, a gorgeous mini rose coaster to brighten your day. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. If you loved making this, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet adventures. Share your finished coasters with me. I'd love to see them. Thanks for crocheting with me. See you in the next one.